ITT Veam Move Mod Series connectors are rugged and flexible circular connectors that can deliver power, signal, and data in a single ultra-robust connector. These are IP67 rated and optimized for harsh applications, including rail, heavy and off-road vehicles, industrial equipment, robotics, alternative energy, and more. The Move Mod series features a combination of 4-pole, 18-pole, and M12 snap-in modules with quick, tool-free assembly. This provides the flexibility to adapt to application requirements while minimizing component count for time and cost efficiency. The housing is smaller and lighter than the rectangular equivalent. It features an ultra-secure bayonet coupling with secondary locking that is resistant to the harshest shock and vibration while remaining quick and easy to couple and decouple. The shells are offered with either conductive or non-conductive ROHS and REACH-compliant plating options for ultra-harsh environments.